If you want to change DPI settings on Google Pixel 10 Pro, then we have two main ways that allow us to do so. You can, for example, open settings, then over here choose display and touch, and then you should be able to find the display size and text. And over here we can move left and right on this slider in order to adjust the size of pretty much the whole, everything that we have on our phone, every element. But besides that, you can also use developer options. So we're gonna go back to settings, choose about phone, and if you scroll all the way down, you should be able to find build number. You can keep tapping on build number until you need to enter a screen lock password, and then you should be able to see an information that you are now a developer. So we're gonna go back after that to settings once again, and then choose system. Now in system settings, you should be able to find the developer options. And over here we need to keep scrolling until you find an option that is called, let me actually try to find it. It is this one, smallest width. And here, the lower the number is, the bigger the screen will be. There are some limits, of course. So for example, if I type 200, then everything should be much bigger. It is actually limited to 320. And if I write a bigger number, let's say 600, then everything will be much smaller. As you can see over here, we even have like a taskbar at the bottom now. And that is pretty much it. Remember to not use too big numbers, because of course if you enter like a pretty huge number, then you can mess things up and it might be hard to revert these changes. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.